Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Epic. Now Epic is by Mosh Bari, and in essence it's a combination of a very simple video editor and some training that shows you how to build courses online that you can sell. So I'm going to go through the software itself, we'll take a look around, and then I'll come back to the sales page because there's a couple of things on the sales page that I want you to be aware of before you decide if you want to purchase any types of products and services of these types of vendors. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. The idea of the reviews is you get a little bit more information before you decide to buy any kind of product or service online. If you haven't been over to my channel before, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell so I can let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're struggling and you want to figure out how to finally make money online using affiliate marketing, I got some great training for you. Go ahead and check out the link in the description below, and it'll give you some great information that will let you understand exactly what it takes to build a real business online. So guys, let's jump straight into the product. I only purchased the front end, so the first thing you'll see is some training modules here. Now the first thing they do is invite you to some free training, and then you watch this video from Mosh Bari himself, just an overview of the product itself, and then there'll be some detailed training. Now the detailed training is only 9 minutes because at the end of the day the actual software that this is connected to, it's very simple and there's not really much to it, but that's the detailed training for the software. But also you have some training on the whole concept of building a course online. So I'm going to go through that in a second. You then have an invite over to the beta group. You have a bunch of bonuses here, which are kind of old type bonuses that you can get access to, and you can get onto support here. Now what you'll see is this Epic 2 training. Now basically you get a whole bunch of videos here from Mosh Bari, the vendor himself, that teaches you various things about how to make money online, some concepts around building a course, and then explains some of the free resources they're giving away at the bottom. But so this is kind of mainly the product. It's not really the software, which I will go back to and show you. Now basically these videos cover kind of a motivational type bunch of videos here. First takes you through what it takes to make some money online, and then it goes into the course creation. Now when he says step by step, it is kind of light. It is just talking about the whole concept of creating courses online, and the two of these videos are very similar. It gives you slightly different examples, but it goes over the same thing. But basically he's talking about how you can actually find what type of niches, what type of topics, what is good to build courses online, and he gives you lots of examples of that. I didn't really mind these. I think they're, it was pretty good examples. The only thing I will tell you is that it's kind of high level. It doesn't really show you click for click how to go ahead and do this. Now you have some done for you resources on here. Now I'm going to go into these downloads in a second, and basically what they've gone into is Udemy, and they've looked at all of the different keywords that you can build topics around. Now I thought this was okay, and if I just click on this now and show you, basically it's just a simple Google Doc, and basically they've got all of the different courses here, and you can click on these link courses and you can go back and you can see all the different modules amongst these courses. Now the idea is that you would follow this and make your own courses around these modules. Now when I do go back to the sales page, it just say you'll be able to do this in an afternoon. That's ridiculous. You're not going to be able to build a course in an afternoon unless you're some kind of expert. What you'll need to do is do a lot of research, but the basics are around the idea of what you would need to do to build courses. And then you have some other download here. This is some PLR, the other done for you content. These are PLR folders that basically you download and you can use them as content. And then you have some templates which are actually PowerPoint. So if I just download one of these, I'll show you the type of PowerPoints you get. You get a whole bunch of different types of PowerPoints that you can use to create your courses within the main software. So I'll just go into this Google Slides here. You get these types of PowerPoints. Now, guys, this is only $12 at the end of the day on the front end. You can pay quite a lot of money for some PowerPoints like this. So if it was ever something you did need, then maybe you just buy it for these PowerPoints. I'm not going to say buy it for the actual product itself, but these resources are pretty good for $12. So basically you have a load of those resources, and then you can come and have a look at how to build the templates. So it explains what you do as far as bringing these templates in and adjusting and editing them. And then he goes on about how you can borrow and leverage people's expertise, the importance of creating unique content, and he shows you a site that he uses to do that. And then he starts talking about AI speech to text type software, and he then recommends Speechello, which this is an affiliate link. Then he talks about Warrior Plus and what Warrior Plus is all about, shows how successful he is on Warrior Plus, and then has 2 videos on free affiliate traffic, which really, I don't really see anywhere that he's actually showing you any kind of affiliates you can use. We all know that affiliates are the best way to sell your products, but getting and recruiting affiliates is pretty tough. But, you know, he goes through this because he obviously does do it himself. So kind of my summary of the training is it's just very high level. It's not really click for click. It gives you the overall concept and the overall ideas. There's nothing really wrong for it. And if it was just $12, you might get some value out of getting this for just $12. But don't expect to make thousands of pounds based on this training instantly, as it says on the sales page. Just use this for what it is, that you're going to have somebody who does sell courses online, and quite honestly, he sells quite a lot of software online. So a lot of the products he talks about in Warrior Plus are software, but he does sell and he does earn money online. So you can kind of listen to somebody like that. But at the end of the day, just remember, this is going to be a lot of work if you were going to go ahead and start doing this yourself. So let's jump back and have a look at the software itself that Epic is giving you. Basically, this is the software, and all you actually have is this dashboard where you can put some templates in here. So I can actually upload various different types of templates into here. You have some API settings here that I can connect to my Google accounts, Dropbox, and various other locations. And then you have a help feature here that you can go ahead and talk to their help desk. I've dealt with their Mosh Bari's help desk in the past. They do actually respond, in fairness. So if I come back to the dashboard, you can create a new video here. All I need to do is put test 1 on here, and I'm going to create these different types of videos. Press create, and then basically I can either create an image video and start uploading images into here, and I can add some text onto the video, or I can actually go ahead and just put a video in here and start adjusting the video and editing it. I can trim it, I can add audio, and I can add background music. So basically you can add various types of videos in here. So if I wanted to use a video, let's go along and just paste any video in here. So guys, I actually just uploaded a video here and said to use it, and this is the screen I've been left with for the last 10 minutes. So, you know, this software is not going to be very good if you're really serious about creating any kind of courses online. That's the idea of this and the intent of this. Now, Mosh Bari does say in his video that, you know, all these hungry buyers are going to be on now. Now, this actually got released yesterday, and you need to wait for maybe the next day for it to start working, and that's just not good enough. If you're going to start actually publicizing these types of softwares, then you need to make sure they're stable and they've got enough bandwidth to cope with anybody coming online and adding things like videos and images. Now, guys, if you ever wanted to do this, just go ahead and look at Screencastomatic. This is a very, very professional video editing software that allows you to share your screen. It allows you to add slides. Whatever you want to do, you can do within Screencastomatic. I'll leave a link to this below. It won't be an affiliate link, guys. And the pricing is so reasonable for this, especially now. If you look at the actual pricing for individuals and businesses at the moment, it's like $4 a month. The limited time offer, they've got $4.31 for their solo premiere. You got lots of different limited stocks of videos, etc. I like this because it's so simple to use, and if you want to create any kind of courses, this is going to be ideal. So I would actually recommend something like this. But as far as this is concerned, I don't think it's very good when I'm having to wait this long if I want to start building any types of courses using this software. And as you see, as I'm talking, it's still doing it. So thumbs down for the software, guys. Kind of a mute response for the training so far. Let's jump out to the actual sales page. I want to explain to you a couple of things on this sales page. So this is all well and good. You know, it sounds like a really good piece of software when you go to the sales page. Nothing too dramatic here until we start going on to things like the financial proof and showing how much they're making. Now, they're saying it's being called the ultimate equalizer. You can use this for the first time ever, and you can make lots and lots of different types of money using this. And they've got this image here that shows you the types of money they're claiming they're using with this software. Now, all I need to do is go and have a look at this and see if this image has turned up anywhere else. And lo and behold, this image has turned up on multiple other products, even products that aren't even Mosh Bari's or anything connected to them. So if I look at Income X review and bonuses, this is just people's reviews, but this crops up here. This has come off this sales page, and then we go back and I can look at this Breeze review. And again, this is cropping up on the Breeze sales page. And then there's watch to profit discount again. Go ahead and look at this watch to profit. Let's see where it crops up on here. And there you go. There's the actual image on there. So guys, this is the worst kind of sales page I've seen as well. It's a great example of people are just completely being dishonest on sales pages. But this is the kind of thing that annoys me. You know, when you look at these sales pages, you need people to be honest. And if they want to be genuine and they're trying to sell you something and say they're actually earning money, then they need to figure out a way to actually give you real financial proof. Again, with this one here, I'm going to go ahead and have a look at this one quickly. Center Bank review, completely different product again, completely different vendor as far as I remember. And there's the same graphic turning up there. So I know, guys, that these are the same folks that are producing a lot of these sales pages. They're sending them off to a team, and the team are actually putting these sales pages together. What I don't like is the fact that they're using the same financial proof to try and goad you into buying products like this that they know are going to be a lot of work. There's a concept here. There is a concept here that you can go ahead and make money by creating courses, but they're giving you some very, very clunky, cheap software and some very high level training. So I personally wouldn't recommend this. And on the strength of somebody being dishonest on a sales page like this, I wouldn't buy any products off them, even if they were good, to be quite honest. I don't like this type of marketing. So guys, that's my review of Epic. Hope that brought you some value. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're struggling, if you're trying to figure out how to make money online, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I got some great training there for you that will set you on a really, really good path to actually starting to build a business with affiliate marketing that you'll be proud of. Until next time, guys, take care.